Guys, how to open your Google Business account? So click here, add here, Business Profile Manager. So click here. It will ask the sign-in process. So complete the sign-in process. Click on Start Now. Enter your business profile name. Category. Next. So select any proper category. We want to add a location customer can visit. Select the yes. Where do you serve your customers? It's optional. Add areas where your business provide delivery or home and office visit. So enter the address. And complete the whole process. Enter your number and your website name. Now please enter your mailing address to verify. So enter your email address. I mean your proper mailing address. So your home address, street, post town and postcode. Then click on yes. Now here you can enter the business hour. Add business description you can write by AI. Add storefront photo. Add photos of your store. This is the example. You can use it. Now you can claim your 380 advertising credit like this. And now you can get a custom email address and so many things you can try as a trial. Your edits will be visible once you verified. So this way guys, you can make your profile like this, and here you can edit. Thanks for watching.